Rubber B Tudor Pelagos FXD strap installation. Today we're installing the new Rubber B strap designed specifically for the Tudor Pelagos FXD. Before we begin, you'll need a spring bar tool and your new Rubber B strap. Start by inserting the spring bar into the strap. Once it's fully seated, position the strap between the lugs and align one end of the spring bar with the lug hole. Using your spring bar tool, gently compress the opposite end of the spring bar while guiding the strap into place. Once aligned, release the spring bar and listen for the click that confirms it's securely engaged. Give the strap a light tug to ensure it's properly installed. Now repeat the same process on the opposite side. Insert the spring bar, align the strap, compress the spring bar with your tool, and guide it into position until it clicks securely into place. And that's it, your Rubber B strap is now installed. Designed and manufactured entirely in Switzerland, this strap is engineered specifically for the Tudor Pelagos FXD, delivering a precise fit, exceptional comfort, and the durability Rubber B is known for. The premium vulcanized rubber construction provides a comfortable, secure fit on the wrist while maintaining the refined appearance expected from a luxury timepiece. Paired with a 3/16L stainless steel tang buckle, the result is a strap that feels as good as it looks. The integrated fit complements the Pelagos FXD perfectly, giving the watch a more versatile, modern look that's ready for everyday wear, travel, and adventure. This is the Tudor Pelagos FXD on a Rubber B strap, Swiss-made precision, uncompromising comfort, and a fit that looks factory original.